Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn spiralaterals. Spiralaterals. What are spiralaterals? Spiralaterals are geometrical figure formed by the repetition of simple rule. The base pattern is formed by drawing line segments of increasing length up to the particular size. Turning a fixed angle after each segment. It can be in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Drawing continues in the same manner from the resulting position until either the figure so created return to its starting point or it becomes apparent that it will never do so. We can draw spiralateral art using multiplication tables. Each and every multiplication tables follows a particular pattern. So using that pattern we can draw spiralateral art. Now I am going to explain you how to draw spiralateral art for 3 times table. For that we have to write tables now. Now I am writing skip counting of 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 7 times 3 is 21 and so on we have to write. To draw spiralateral, we have to find sum of digits of each and every skip countings. 3, 6, 9. In 12 there are 2 digits, so we have to add 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. In 24, 2 plus 4, 6. That we have to continue the sum of digits. Let us observe now. Here the numbers are repeating. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Like that the pattern is repeating. So number pattern for 3 times table is 3, 6, 9. Spiralateral. When we start to draw spiralateral, before that we should decide in which direction we are going to draw. It can be clockwise or counterclockwise. First 3, the number is 3. So we have to draw 3 lines towards right hand side. Then turn and come down. The next number is 6. So we have to count 6 boxes towards down. Then turn towards left hand side. The next number is 9. Count 9 boxes towards left hand side. Then turn, draw towards upside. Again the next number is 3. So turn, draw towards right hand side. 6. The same way we have to follow the pattern. We have to follow the number pattern and also the turning. Towards right, towards down, towards left and up. Like that we have to continue the pattern till we reach the starting point. Once you reach the starting point, you can start to draw the spiralateral. This is spiralateral pattern of 3 times table. We can color it as per our wish according to our creativity. I have done for 5 times table 4 times table and 2 times tables. You just try for all the multiplication tables and enjoy the art. Show your creativity. To do this art, you will need a graph paper. It will be available in all the stationery shops, or else I have given the link in description box. You can use it and take print out. Show your creativity. Bye everyone.